Need help or you okay? I'm telling you, a PV or a cant hook would make short work of all of this kind of stuff. They're like $150 and no, fucking taking that out.
I need to spin this beast. Oh yeah, that's mechanical right there. Oh yeah. It has the brains.
Yep, or if the saying goes, if the brain is what, Mike? Then what? The brain is stupid, then the whole body suffers. Bigger rock.
Oh, look at that. That's one way to steer it, eh?
Yes, sir, that certainly is. It's actually working like a charm. Very clever. Very, very clever. Nice.
My steering rock.
Digs in. Whoop.
The rake. He's in the way.
Oh, burning. See, when we got here, I figured like, okay, we'll get it done. We'll be pretty beat. I wasn't convinced we're doing any diving. You know that? Mike. What? As it's, because companies love that. They'll send it to you to review. So do a review of this one and say, I wish we could see what that other new top handle looks like.
So this is, I'm thinking.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, because I was beyond steering at this point.
It'd be fucking hard to flip this cocksucker. I mean, I don't mind feats of strength, but flipping it would be. Nope.
Yeah.
Let's go. I love it. Yes.
Only 3 more to deal with.
Well, you afraid it's only a small cookie? It's huge. It's absolutely massive. In here. This part of the video will make us look not as professional. The further out, the better. More leverages. Oh, I see. He gets it. Pushes the log over the stone or it doesn't get the sandwich. And help watching, he's gonna help you. It would blow both your fucking knees out.
Oh yeah.
You'd be literally. Oh god. So much more easy.
Yeah.
It's so much easier to push it, to roll it. Looks like it's going chill. That's cool. However, because we're getting it done. You know, most of the bark's gone, that's why.
One more turn.
One more turn?
Yeah. All right, ready?
He's gonna hang out here and put up 5.
Little thing. Will work.